according to newly surfaced leak information and early retail-style listings circulating within the drone and camera community. The highly anticipated DJI Avata 360 is quietly shaping up to be one of the most disruptive aerial imaging products DJI has ever prepared. What makes this situation especially striking is not just the promise of new technology, but the aggressive pricing strategy that appears to be attached to it. If the leaks are accurate, DJI may be preparing to dramatically lower the barrier to entry for true 360-degree aerial videography, an area that until now has remained expensive, complex, and largely inaccessible to everyday creators. The rumored base price for the standalone DJI Avata 360 drone is around 2,988 yuan, which roughly converts to about 426 US dollars. That number alone is enough to raise eyebrows across the industry. Historically, capturing high-quality 360-degree aerial footage has required either extremely expensive professional rigs, often costing several $1,000s, or complicated custom-built DIY solutions that demand technical expertise, time, and patience most creators simply do not have. By contrast, a sub-$500 360 drone from DJI would instantly redefine expectations and open the door for a much broader audience, including hobbyists, travel vloggers, content creators, and even small production teams that previously had no realistic path into immersive aerial content. This aggressive entry-level pricing appears to follow DJI's familiar tiered ecosystem approach. In addition to the standalone drone, leaks suggest a mid-level bundle that includes the RC2 controller, potentially priced around the $569 range. For users who want a more complete out-of-the-box experience, comprehensive packages, such as a Fly More combo or an ultimate kit, are rumored to push the price closer to approximately $812. These higher-tier bundles could include FPV goggles, motion controllers, additional batteries, charging hubs, spare propellers, and other accessories that significantly expand flight time and creative flexibility. Even at the top end, the pricing remains surprisingly accessible compared to the cost of existing 360-degree aerial solutions. When factoring in regional pricing adjustments, import taxes, and shipping costs that often inflate global launch prices, the idea of a DJI-made 360 drone entering the market at under $500 still feels borderline unreal. Yet, if DJI manages to maintain that price point internationally, the competitive pressure it would place on brands like Insta360 and other emerging immersive camera manufacturers would be immense. Many of those companies have been attempting to bridge the gap between action cameras and aerial platforms, but without DJI's flight expertise, ecosystem integration, and global distribution network, they may find it difficult to compete at this scale. Pricing alone, however, is only part of the story. The leaked specifications surrounding the DJI Avata 360 are equally compelling and arguably even more disruptive. Reports suggest that the drone will feature a large 1-inch image sensor capable of capturing 6K HDR video at up to 60 frames per second. Just a few years ago, a specification like that would have been unthinkable at this price point, especially in a compact FPV-style drone. A 1-inch sensor brings with it significant advantages, including improved low-light performance, greater dynamic range, cleaner shadow detail, and more flexibility in post-production when reframing and stabilizing footage. For 360-degree video in particular, resolution matters immensely. Shooting at 6K HDR gives creators more freedom to crop, pan, and reframe shots, while still delivering sharp 4K output for traditional screens. It also enables smoother post-production stabilization and more cinematic storytelling, especially when combined with DJI's advanced image processing pipelines. For creators focused on immersive content, travel documentaries, or social media storytelling, this kind of sensor and resolution combination could be a game changer. That said, the leaks are not without their contradictions. Some longtime industry insiders have pointed out inconsistencies between these newer reports and earlier leaks from late 2025. Those earlier rumors referenced a more advanced dual 111-inch sensor configuration capable of capturing full 8K 360-degree video. The shift from an 8K dual sensor setup to a single 1-inch sensor has fueled speculation that DJI may be planning a multi-tier product lineup rather than a single device. One increasingly popular theory is that DJI could introduce a standard Avata 360 aimed at hobbyists, travel creators, vloggers, and social media filmmakers, while also preparing a higher-end professional variant. This Pro model could be designed for VR filmmakers, commercial production houses, real estate marketing firms, tourism boards, and immersive content studios that demand maximum resolution and future-proof deliverables. Such a strategy would mirror DJI's approach in other product lines, where consumer and professional versions coexist while sharing a common ecosystem. Beyond imaging hardware, safety and intelligent flight features appear to be a major focus for the DJI Avata 360. According to the leaks, the drone is expected to introduce full omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, a first for the Avata series. This would be a particularly critical upgrade for a 360-degree drone, where pilots often concentrate on creative motion, dynamic flight paths, and storytelling rather than maintaining constant visual awareness of the aircraft's surroundings. Omnidirectional obstacle sensing could significantly reduce the risk of crashes during complex flight maneuvers, especially in indoor environments, tight fly-throughs, or urban locations. For less experienced pilots, this feature alone could make the difference between confidence and hesitation. For professionals, it adds an extra layer of safety when flying in high-stakes scenarios where reshoots are expensive or impossible. When combined with DJI's latest stabilization technologies, such as Rocksteady 4 and Horizon Steady, the Avata 360 promises exceptionally smooth, level, and immersive footage even during aggressive FPV-style maneuvers. Fast yaw rotations, sharp directional changes, and rapid vertical dives are all scenarios where traditional drones struggle to maintain cinematic stability. If DJI manages to deliver reliable stabilization in these conditions, the creative possibilities expand dramatically. This level of forgiveness is especially important for creators who are transitioning into FPV-style flying for the first time. The Avata series has always aimed to strike a balance between accessibility and performance, and the addition of 360-degree capture could push that philosophy even further. Advanced users would still have the freedom to experiment with bold, high-energy shots, while newer pilots could rely on intelligent systems to smooth out mistakes and maintain professional-looking results. If these leaks hold true, the DJI Avata 360 could fundamentally reshape the aerial imaging landscape, delivering a compact Sinuhoop-style drone capable of capturing fully stitched, high-resolution 360-degree video for well under $1,000 in a complete kit would be unprecedented. It would effectively collapse the gap between consumer-level drones and professional immersive camera systems, making 360-degree aerial storytelling accessible on a scale never seen before. The potential use cases for such a drone are vast. Real estate professionals could create immersive property walkthroughs that give viewers a true sense of space. Travel filmmakers could capture dynamic aerial sequences that allow audiences to explore environments freely. Outdoor adventure creators could document action sports from perspectives that feel genuinely immersive. Automotive brands could showcase vehicles in motion with cinematic, interactive visuals. Virtual tourism experiences could become more affordable to produce, and YouTube creators could experiment with new storytelling formats that stand out in an increasingly crowded content landscape. Social media platforms, in particular, are likely to benefit from this shift. As short-form video continues to dominate and platforms experiment with more interactive and immersive viewing experiences, 360-degree content could see a resurgence. A drone like the Avata 360 would allow creators to capture eye-catching footage that feels fresh, dynamic, and different from standard aerial shots that audiences have grown accustomed to. Rumors currently point toward an official announcement or launch window in early 2026, strategically timed ahead of the spring travel season. This timing would make sense, as it aligns with increased demand for travel gear, outdoor equipment, and creative tools. It would also give DJI an opportunity to capture attention before competitors can respond with comparable offerings. If DJI executes this launch successfully, the Avata 360 could once again demonstrate the company's ability to redefine expectations, blur the line between consumer and professional tools, and set a new benchmark for what creators can achieve with a portable, intelligent, and relatively affordable FPV drone ecosystem. While leaks should always be approached with cautious optimism, the overall picture that is emerging suggests that DJI is preparing something genuinely transformative. In the broader context of aerial imaging, the DJI Avata 360 represents more than just another product release. It signals a shift toward immersive storytelling becoming mainstream rather than niche. By combining accessible pricing, advanced imaging technology, intelligent flight features, and a familiar DJI ecosystem, the Avata 360 has the potential to change not only how drones are used, but how stories are told from the air. If even half of what these leaks suggest becomes reality, early 2026 could mark a turning point for creators everywhere.